Hey, thanks for stopping by. Want to win some art? Keep watching the video. Last week I was telling you all about the studio and how excited I was about its potential. I've now gotten everything off the floor. About halfway through the week I put a picture on Instagram and you could see what it looked like. And now what I've done is I've gotten everything off the floor and I've even started working. This is a painting I'm working on right here. Over here is where I'll be putting canvases on the wall when I work on multiple canvases at the same time, which is something I've always wanted to be able to do, is to work on 4 to 6 paintings at the same time. Before I tell you about the contest, I just realized there's a bunch of stuff on the floor here. I've got to take it out to the vehicle because Sandra needs it, and when you see why, you're gonna agree with me. I've never done a contest or a giveaway with my art before, so we'll see how this goes, man. Just do your grocery shopping?
Yeah, stock up for a week. Spend so much damn time here. It's easier just keeping little food here, little food at home. You know how the grind goes. You get stuck on a project and before you know it, you miss like 3 meals. Yeah.
This is Corey. He's in charge of the studio. This is Kelly. He's doing his grocery shopping, putting it in the fridge. He's also in charge of the studio. I've never done a contest before, so this is super exciting, but I have to admit, I'm a little nervous. The results could be just terrible, but it seemed like a badass thing to do. So last week, my desk was right here, and if you compare the videos from last week, all the stuff that was on my shelf is right there, and now it's at the studio. So already the kids and Sandra have moved the TV. You can see the wall that was there has been taken out. So this is why I had to bring the tools home, because as they put this room back together, obviously they need it more than I do. So, but man, talk about a fast working crew. I'm at 97 subscribers on YouTube. I want to be at 100. So all you have to do is share this video, then send me a screenshot of your share to info@unionillustration.co. And then one lucky winner will get a free print. And there's only gonna be one of these prints. Not 50, not one of 50, only one. Any new subscribers, you're also eligible if you share as well. Here's the thing though, I have to get to 110 subscribers. That's it for this week, folks. Just the contest and the print. Next week, I'm painting outside, and you'll get to see a bit of that. Oh yeah, and don't forget, I'll be announcing the winner. Don't forget your screenshot, and don't forget to send it to info@unionillustration.co. Check the description.